Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Unbox your Palmperfect Electric Shaver and locate the charging cable and brush. Charge the battery fully before first use by connecting the cable for 2 hours. A full charge provides up to 60 minutes of run time for a single shave. Turn the shaver on with the power button and select high or low speed. The LED will indicate battery level, and a lock icon shows travel safety mode. Now you are ready to shave or trim with the Palmperfect, following the next slide. Wet or dry shaving both work, but slightly damp skin improves glide and comfort. Hold the shaver flat and maintain a 30-degree angle for sensitive areas and edges. Use short, gentle strokes against hair growth and avoid heavy pressure on the blade. Trim sideburns and the mustache with a pop-up trimmer or included comb attachment. Rinse the head between passes to remove hair and check for missed spots. Finish by going with the grain for a close, comfortable finish and less irritation. Turn off and unplug the shaver before cleaning to prevent accidental activation or damage. Remove the head and rinse under warm running water for thorough cleaning every use. Apply 3 drops of blade oil monthly to maintain cutting performance and reduce wear. Replace the shaving head or foil every 12 months or sooner if performance declines. Store the shaver in the provided pouch and use travel lock when transporting it. For battery care, avoid extreme temperatures and recharge after storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.